Okay, all right. So let's begin. So chapter five, is extra strength methods. So dives deeper into writing methods by introducing operators, loops, and random number generation, all applied by a battleship style game called Sync a Startup from scratch. It walks through the full development cycle, writing prep code, implementing methods, and testing a class before wiring everything together into a working game. So yeah, that's pretty much what we're dealing with. Yeah.
Multiple. So here, this class demonstrates nested for loops and how loop control affects the programming flow. So as you can see, we have an outer loop that will control variable I. So it will run from 0 to 3. So as you can see, within this for loop, we initialize I as an integer to equal to 0. I should be less than 4, and then I should increment each time it loops. Then within that loop, there's an inner loop. So this loop will control variable j. So it will run down from 4 to 3. So it will print out. What it will do is that it will just print out the current values of I and j each time. And if the I equals to 1, then we'll increment again. So what this will do is that it will cause the loop to skip the next value. So around that.
Yeah.
As you can see here, Mount just showing a lot of values 0, 4, 0, 3, 2, 4, 2, 3, 3, 4, 3, 3. And I think I'll hand it over to James.
Cool. So for the output.java, they've got the public static void main here, and then they've got the output, and that creates an instance for the output class, and they call the go method on the object. They got void go, and initialize the value to 7, and they loop from I equals 1 to 1, 8, I equals 1 to 7, and they increase the value by 1 on each loop. They only execute this block when I is greater than 4. And then the system.out if the value becomes greater than 14, print I and stop the loop. And they exit the loop immediately with the break. So here you can see if you run it says 13, 15, I equals 6. So yeah, that's it for chapter 5.
No problem. Okay.
Nice.
0123 0134 0134 0134. Okay, no problem.
I know what, for chapter 6, I'm not sure, but